What's going on, guys? Welcome back. It's days like today, I'm glad I'm a welder. We're just getting started on our next project, guys. It's for the City Parks Department, Colorado Springs Parks Department. We're making 6 of these great big sign posts. Big heavy steel. We've got these 4x4s in-house already. We're starting with a few of the pieces over there, and we've got some of the other heavy metal out here. So we've got all 6 of our base plates already cut, ready to go, and the first few pieces of C-channel to make our first tube. What you'll see going on over here is where I'm working on all the parts that we need for all 6 of these. See, we've already got our panels cut out. There's 12 of those guys. It's the little window where the plexiglass goes right there. So we'll take a minute right now and I'll start spreading some of these out. We'll get everything prepped, start welding up some more parts. What's next? So much easier to handle. Wow, 30 inches makes a big difference. I can actually move these by hand now. So it's pretty straightforward, really. Let's take a quick look at all the components. It starts out with a piece of 12-inch by 1/2-inch plate. And then we got this basic 8-inch C-channel. Don't forget the 4x4 or the 2x3. We've got a piece of 8-inch plate, piece of 1-inch angle iron, 14 gauge 2-inch strap, 2x6 piece of 2-inch strap. Then we've got 4-inch strap with a hole cut out of it, 1/2-inch angle iron, and 1/2-inch square tubing. What did we forget? Oh, one more thing. Just getting set up out here to cut some wire mesh. So if we were just doing one of these, I'd just take time to cut the metal, but we've got 6 of them. So I made a template. Make sure it fits in both of them. That'll make it much easier, faster. All right, let's see how that fits. That'll work. That'll do it. Alright guys, so that right there is the easiest way to move these things. Thanks for watching. Come back next time guys. We'll get these 2 out of powder coat, get the other 4 done. Alright, we'll see you next time.